Yes.
We're keeping Emily around. She has graciously accepted our challenge to dress a flocked bunny from our display today. We're calling this the Bunny Fit Check Challenge. It's a just for fun opportunity to play with this season's hottest little creature. Now, we say this season's hottest creature. They actually appeared on store shelves last year.
Yes.
And they were hard to get. This year, they're a little more abundant.
Yes, and they're in like every store.
So you went right for the pink. You didn't even hesitate.
I know, I really just like the pink.
Okay, a girl who knows her mind. You have 20 minutes and $20, which I think is actually quite generous. What supplies have you brought to the table?
Okay, so of course, ribbon. I love ribbon, I love bows.
You got some sprinkles?
And I just have tons of glitter.
Okay.
So we're gonna glitter.
You get to work, and we will check in with you throughout the hour.
Okay.
This is the last day of our Bunny Fit Challenge. Listen, it's just what we do for fun here on Studio 5 is take things up just a notch, and these bunnies are getting their makeover this week. Emily, thank you. We'll check in with you.
Thank you.
Okay, the time has come to see how our creative friend Emily Price has chosen to deck out her flocked bunny, and you did dress her up all fancy. Tell us what you did. You knew immediately you wanted to do this.
Yes, this is what came to mind. So I just, of course, added a bow because everything needs a bow, and then I just glitter. So much glitter. I even did the little tail.
Look at the tail.
I know it really won't be seen, but it's so cute.
It's so cute. And I love how you coordinated the glitter in the ears, clever placement, to just a little subtle finish on the bow tail.
Yes.
Cute, Emily. And you cocktailed your own glitter.
Yes, I just mixed all kinds. I have a pastel mix. I love this like rock glitter.
Yeah.
And then a chunky, just really chunky glitter.
So fun. Thanks for playing along.
Of course, thank you.
I hope she enjoys her home at your home. She fits right in, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, she fits right in.